In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code your Outlook calendar. If your schedule looks like a wall of gray, a few smart color choices can make it easier to scan, prioritize, and spot what matters at a glance. We'll cover 3 simple techniques: changing a calendar's overall color, applying categories to individual events, and setting up conditional formatting that colors items automatically based on details like sender, location, or status. Let's start with the fastest win: changing the color of an entire calendar. In the calendar view, look to the left where your calendars are listed. Right-click the calendar's name and choose color. Pick a shade that makes sense for that calendar. This tints every item in that calendar, which is great for separating work from personal, team calendars from project calendars, or any other high-level grouping. It doesn't change the content of events. It simply gives the whole calendar a consistent look so you can tell it apart instantly. Next, let's add more precision by color-coding individual events. Find an event on your calendar, right-click it, and choose Categorize. Then select a color. This attaches a color tag to that specific event, helping you mark priorities, meeting types, or time blocks you want to stand out. Because you're applying categories one event at a time, reserve this for items that truly need emphasis, like deadlines, key meetings, or personal appointments you want to keep visible among busier schedules. If you ever change your mind, just right-click again and pick a different category or clear it. Finally, let's automate color coding with conditional formatting. This is perfect when you want Outlook to apply colors for you whenever events match certain criteria. Go to the View tab at the top of Outlook, select View Settings, and then choose Conditional Formatting. In the window that opens, create a new rule by selecting Add. Give it a clear name so you remember what it does, choose a color, and then select Condition. Here's where you define the logic. You can target items by the sender, words in the subject, the location field, or even by meeting status, such as whether you're the organizer. Set your criteria, confirm with OK, and then OK again to apply it. Your calendar will update and highlight any events that match the rule. This affects how items appear in this view, making it a powerful way to keep important events visible without manual tagging. Use these 3 approaches together: a distinct color per calendar for big picture separation, categories for one-off emphasis, and conditional formatting to automate recurring patterns. Keep your palette consistent, and your calendar will become a clear, reliable guide to your day.